Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Let's begin with the book Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge of class 5 by Serifakera Publications. Hello everyone, let's begin with another new chapter of this book, the last chapter of this book rather I would say, chapter number 43, Famous Toys Around the World. Now toys are not just for fun, they also help us to learn, imagine and to explore. Every country has its own special toys that tell us something about its culture and the creativity. Let's travel around the world to see some famous toys. And the toys from different countries are, the first one is known as the Lego and it is from Denmark. Tiny colorful bricks that snap together to make anything. You can make anything from these. I hope you must be knowing about Legos. You must have played with them. They form cars to castle. They were invented in Denmark. Lego means what? Lego means play well. This is the image of the game given over here. Let's now move to the second toy, that is Barbie. All the girls, they just love playing with the Barbie, and this game is from the country USA. The world's most famous doll, Barbie, it was born in 1959 in America and has over 200 careers from doctor to astronaut. So there are doctors to astronaut, around 200 careers of Barbie in the toy industry. Let's now move further to the third toy. The third toy given over here is Kendama from Japan. It is a wooden toy with a ball and a cup, and it needs skill and balance to play. Japanese children, they love to play this game. Next we have the last game, which is called as Rubik's Cube. Rubik's Cube, and this is a game from Hungary, and this is a colorful puzzle cube. This game is also popular here. Children play in India also, and it tests your brain. This game tests your brain. It can you twist and turn it to match all the sides. In this game you have to turn and twist the cube in order to match all the sides with its same color. So these were all the various games which belongs, the various toys which belongs to their particular country. This was all in the chapter, and with this we complete the book today. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.